Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mohadi English School. So, I hope all of you are very much healthy. You are keeping yourself neat and clean. Also, you are keeping your surroundings sanitized. Means your surroundings should be clean so that you are safe. You will not fall sick. Also, take care of your parents and any elderly people, those who are there in your house like grandmother, grandfather, they need special care. Please take care of them and also take care of yourself. So this video is for class 2 subject science, and let us read one thought now. The purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open one. So the purpose means the aim of education. What is the aim of education? You are getting education from the school, you see the videos, you get knowledge. So how will you use that knowledge? Your mind will be full of knowledge, so you will be able to help others and you will be able to help yourself to be safe. So stay home, stay safe, and your mind should be open. Your mind should not be empty. If your mind is open, you will be able to learn all the things from everywhere. So keep your mind open, keep the videos regularly, keep watching it and keep gaining knowledge. So our today's topics, that is chapter 2, we were learning in the previous video uses of plants. And in the previous video we had seen the importance of vegetables and fruits. So today we will just have a recap of that previous video. What is vegetable, what is the fruit, the importance of vegetables and fruits. After that we will see what are cereals and what are pulses. Why are cereals and pulses important in our life? So first let us begin with the recap of the previous video. After that I will explain what are cereals and pulses. Also let me tell you, I have brought some interesting pictures and some interesting worksheets for you based on vegetables and fruits. For vegetables we can say veggies, the short form. So we will solve some interesting worksheets and we will also see some interesting pictures. So let us begin quickly. So in the previous video we had started chapter 2 uses of plants. In that we had discussed different types of plants. We had seen the different categories like vegetables, fruits, cereals. Then we had seen that plants give us food. How do they give us food? We eat stems of the plants, we eat roots, flowers, leaves and seeds. We eat all these parts of a plant. Then I told you the importance of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain important vitamins, minerals and chemicals, and they also contain fiber. There are many different varieties of fruits and vegetables available in the market, and we must eat at least 5 vegetables and 2 fruits every day to be healthy. Then we had seen the importance of the fruits. We have seen different fruits in this picture. The importance is that it gives us vitamins which keeps our body strong, and it is very sweet. Fruits are very sweet. They also give us lot of water. The water amount in our body is maintained with the help of fruits. Then we had seen the importance of vegetables. See, as you can see, different vegetables are there on the screen. Vegetables are the best food for our body. We should not eat any junk food like packet foods, etc. Vegetables are to be eaten daily so that your stomach will be full and your body will be strong. It will also give you calories and it will make your bones very strong. Then we had seen different examples of vegetables and fruits. The pictures, as you can see, the basket full of vegetables, here full of fruits. Then we had seen different fruits like mangoes, grapes, pears, oranges, guavas. After that we had seen watermelon, strawberries, cherries, lemons, banana, apples, peaches. Then we had seen different vegetables like potato, radish, cabbage, carrot, broccoli, and we had seen onion, lettuce, celery, turnip, cauliflower. After that we had seen cereals and pulses. So we have to start with this topic today. But before starting with cereals and pulses, I would like to show some interesting pictures. Here are some pictures of vegetables, very interesting, very healthy vegetables, as you can see on your screen. What are the names? Let us see. Asparagus, then artichoke, then beetroot, broccoli, Brussels sprout, It is a very small cabbage. It looks like a small cabbage. Here is the cabbage, original cabbage. Then carrot. Here is cauliflower, celery. Then corn, cucumber, eggplant, garlic, ginger, leek, lettuce, onion, peas, pepper, potato, tomato, spinach, turnip, zucchini, then sweet potato. So these are the pictures of some vegetables as you can see on your screen, and also we are going to solve the worksheet based on these pictures. Now let us see some fruits. So here are the pictures of some fruits. What are fruits called in English? The English name of the fruits. Let us study that. Here you can see apple, then watermelon, you can see orange, strawberry, grape, cherries, mangoes, nectarine, banana, pomegranate, raspberry, papaya, kiwi, pineapple, lemon, apricot, grapefruit, peach, avocado, passion fruit, plum, lime, blueberry, lychee and fig. So these are the names of different fruits in English. These are the fruits, and so many fruits are available in the world, and all the fruits are really very healthy for us. You can eat as many fruits as you like. All these fruits have some or the other advantages in our life. Now let us solve exercise. So here are some vegetables. We have to match the names of the vegetables with the correct picture. See, first one is done. Carrot. Carrot is over here. Then can we match the next one? What is the next one? Can you see over here? Cucumber. Where is cucumber? I can see cucumber is over here. So we can match cucumber over here. Let us match it. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Then next one. What can you see? Potato. So where is potato? Over here. So let us match potato over here. Then next one I can see carrot. Where is carrot? Can you see carrot? Yes, carrot is over here, already done. Then spinach. Where is spinach? I can see spinach is over here. So let us match with spinach. So here is the picture of spinach and I am going to match it. See, like this. Then next one, what is given? Artichoke. We just now saw. Where is artichoke? Just now we saw the image of artichoke. It is over here. Let us match it with artichoke. Here is artichoke. Then next one. Tomato. Very easy. Where is tomato? Over here. This is tomato. Let us match it with tomato like this. Then next. Broccoli. Where is broccoli? Broccoli is the fruit of green color. So where is it? Over here. Let us match with broccoli like this. Then next one. What can you see? Garlic. Garlic is eaten also with sandwiches and it is very tasty. So garlic is over here, the last one. Let us match it with garlic, the last one. Then next, onion. Very easy. Many of them eat onion. So onion, I can see the last one. Here is onion. Then next one, what can you see? Eggplant. Where is the eggplant? We just saw the picture of eggplant. So eggplant is over here. Let us match with the eggplant. It is over here, eggplant. Then last one I can see pepper. Pepper is of red color. It adds the flavor to our food. So it is pepper. That is what last word is. P-E-P-P-E-R. Pepper. So as you can see on your screen, we have matched the following different vegetable names with their pictures. So which are the names? Cucumber, potato, carrot, spinach, artichoke, tomato, broccoli, garlic, cabbage. Where is cabbage? It is over here. So let us match it. Cabbage. Then we saw onion, eggplant and pepper. These are all the vegetables exercise that we have done. Now let us one more exercise. So here is an exercise, match the following on fruits. So which are the fruits? Can you see over here the names? Orange, pear, banana, apple, pineapple. So we have to match the names with the correct fruits. So where can you see banana? Where can you see orange? Let us check over here. So first one is orange. So can you see orange over here? Where is orange? Yes, this orange color is orange. So we have to match like this. It is an orange. Then pear. Where is pear? It is of green color. Can you see any green color fruit over here? Yes, that is pear. So we have to match with that pear. Then third one I can see. What is the name given over here? Banana. Banana is of yellow color. It gives lot of energy to us. So it is straight like this. Banana. Next apple. Very easy. The red color apple is given over here. So we have to match like this. It is an apple. The last one left, that is pineapple. Where is pineapple? The last option left for us is over here. This is pineapple. So see how apple looks like and how pineapple looks like, but both are healthy. So we have done match the following: orange, pear, banana, apple and pineapple. Now let us see the next one. So here are other 5 fruits. What are the names? Cherries, peach, grapes, melon and watermelon. So let us match. See here, melon and watermelon are different. Don't get confused. So first let us find out which fruit is this. Can you see the color? It looks like orange, yellowish. Which color fruit? And what is the name of the fruit from this? It is a peach. So let us match with peach. Then what else you can see? Here it is yellow color fruit. So what is the name over here? Yellow color fruit. Can you see any name? Yes, melon. It is a melon. So let us match with that name. Then next I can see what are these red color fruits. Very yummy, juicy. It is cherry. So let us match with cherries. If it is one, then cherry, otherwise cherries. Then next one I can see grapes are there. Yes. So we have to match it over here. Grapes. Different colors grapes you can see. And very much healthy grapes for our health. Last one remaining, what is that? The last option remaining is this. It looks very tasty, and that last one is watermelon. So we have to match with watermelon. So these are the different fruits. Match the following we have done. Cherries, peach, then grapes, melon and watermelon. All these fruits are very much healthy. We should eat all these fruits to be very strong. So our next exercise is mixed exercise. Fruits or vegetables. We have to identify. We have to see the names. We have to see the pictures, and then we have to identify whether it is a fruit or vegetable. Let us see. See, first one, apple. Apple is a fruit. So what do we write over there? F, because apple is a fruit. So we have to write F. Then next one, what can you see over here? Peas. Peas is a vegetable we use for cooking. So we have to write V over there. It is a vegetable. V for vegetable, F for fruit. Now all of you have to tell me. Next one, what is the next one? Banana. What is banana? F or V, fruit or vegetable? It is a fruit. So again we write F. F for fruit. It is a fruit. Then next one, cherries, red color cherries. Just now we did. It comes in the category of, is it fruit or vegetable? It is a fruit. So again we will write F. F for fruit. Then next one, strawberries. Strawberries, red color, very yummy, juicy strawberries. That is also in the category of fruits. So we write F. F for fruits. Then next one is carrot. Carrot is a vegetable, favorite food of rabbit. It is a vegetable. So we write V. V for vegetable. Next one you can see it is pear. So pear is also a fruit. It is not a vegetable. So we write F. F for fruit. Next one we can see it is sweet potato. So potato can be sweet or it cannot be sweet, but potato is after all a vegetable. So let us write V over there. It is a vegetable. So V for vegetable. Next one I can see what is given. broccoli. Broccoli. What is broccoli? We just did in match the following. It is vegetable, green color, vegetable. So we write V. V for vegetable. Next we can see yellow color, it is lemon. So lemon is a fruit. We can drink lemon juice also. So for fruit we have to write F. F for fruit. Then next one, what is given over here? Corn. So corn is also liked by many children. It is vegetable. We can also make vegetable with the help of corn. People also eat sweet corn dish sometimes. Then the next one is tomato. Now be very careful. Tomato and brinjal are fruits. We have learnt in the lesson. They are not vegetables. So tomato is a fruit. It will come in the category of fruits, not vegetable. Many people think that tomato is a vegetable, but it is a fruits. Then next one. What else you can see? Then I can see cabbage. With cabbage we can make vegetable, right? So it will come in the category of vegetables. So we write V. V for vegetable. People make different sabji with the help of cabbage. Then grapes. Grapes will come in the category of fruits. Like the tree of, like the plant of grapevine is there. So grape is a fruit. So for fruit we write F. F for fruit. Next one, what can you see over here? Onion. Onion is also liked by many people. People eat onion a lot. And raw onion is very good for our heart. So without cooking we can eat onion for our good health of heart. Onion is a vegetable. So for vegetable we write V. Because onion is a vegetable. Then pineapple. Just like apple, pineapple is a fruit. Apple and pineapple both are fruits. So for fruit we write F. So as you can see over here, we have solved the exercise that are fruits or vegetables. So we have identified which fruits and vegetables. Let us see. We have seen apple, peas, banana, cherries, strawberries, carrot, pear, sweet potato, broccoli, lemon, corn, tomato, cabbage, grapes, onion and pineapple. So now let us start with our today's topic, means new topic, that is cereals and pulses. We are doing the same chapter, uses of plants, but our topic has changed, that is cereals and pulses. So let us see, what are cereals? The cereals are seeds of some plants belonging to grass family. Some cereals are used to make flour. Cereals are not found inside pots. For example, rice, wheat, barley, maize and oats. So all these are cereals. So do you know what are cereals? Cereals are the seeds. It belongs to grass family. Cereals are easy to digest. They provide the body with lot of energy. You know, cereals are very healthy for our body. They give lot of energy and they can be used in variety of dishes. While making new food, you can use cereals. And which are the types of cereals? Rice, wheat, barley, maize and oats. From the cereals, we can make flour. What is flour? Do you know what is flour? Flour is also used to make different kinds of things like pasta and many other things we can make with the help of flour. So from cereal, we can make flour. Cereals are like seeds. Can you see they are like small seeds and they belong to the grass family. And cereals are not found inside the pots. Pots means just like peas. Like you remove the outer covering, green color, outer covering and you get peas, that is called pots. But cereals are not found inside the pots. Examples we have seen rice, wheat, barley and maize. In Hindi we can say cereals are anaj. Anaj means something we eat. Plants give us food grains. And we eat food grains like rice, wheat, maize, barley and oat. And these are known as cereals. Like I told you in Hindi, it is called anaj. We eat cereals every day. Cereals are also used for making flour. Let us see some more. So as you can see, you might have seen in your house, your mother making food with the help of flour. So what is flour? Flour is used for making bread, pasta, and many cakes and many other foods. Flour can be turned into biscuits and cakes like flour. You can just see the process of turning, that is called baking. With the help of this you can just make bread to biscuits, cookies to cakes. All these are the uses of flour. Flour is very useful in day-to-day life. Then what are pods? Pods are this outer covering. As you can see over here, inside are peas and we eat this. And this outer covering, this outer part, green color part are called pods. But cereals are not found inside pods. These are pulses. Pulses are found inside the pods. Cereals are not found inside the pods. This is called pod, the outer covering. So as you can see on your screen, these are rice. Rice is the main food of Indians. Indians eat rice a lot. Rice are very good for our health. Then rice is called the principle of food. The main food that we eat is our rice in India. There are hundreds of different varieties of rice like white, brown, black and red. And there are many other rice dishes that we can make like curry rice, then rice pudding. What are the benefits of rice? It will make our blood sugar level proper and it will reduce our headache. Those who have migraine problem, those who have headache, it can be beneficial for them. It will improve your muscles, your strength. Rice gives you lot of energy. And there are many other advantages of rice, and as I told you, rice is the main food for Indians. It is called the principal food of Indians. And do you know why rice is unique? It is different from all other crops because rice can grow in wet environments where water is there. Rice can grow in wet environments that other crops cannot survive. So rice is the most important human food crop in the world, directly feeding more people than any other crop. Any other crop is not used like rice. It is the most feeding human crop. In the year 2012, more than half of the population of the world was living on rice, and rice is really important for us. Then our next type of cereal is wheat. So as you can see, these are the pictures of wheat. What is wheat? It is the second major grown crop in India. In India, we have the second most grown crop, that is wheat. There are 6 types of wheat and there are 2 different varieties, white and red. So wheat is also called, in Hindi we can say gehu. So wheat is called gehu in Hindi. Wheat can be used to make upma. If you want to make upma for breakfast, you can use wheat, and even for making a healthy pulao. So for pulao and upma we use wheat. Wheat flour is used for many dishes like roti, bread, paratha, pasta, noodles. We can make so many things with the help of wheat. Wheat flour can also be used to make healthy pizza. Pizza base, the base of the pizza you can make with the help of wheat. So many benefits are there. It will protect against the sun damage. If you are going out in the sun, wheat can protect you from sun damage. Then it reduces weight gain. Those who are very fat, they can eat wheat. It can help in reducing weight gain. Then it controls the blood pressure. Those who are elderly people, grandmother, grandfather, for them also it is very good because blood pressure can be in control with the help of wheat. These are several advantages of wheat. And also roti, paratha, everything we can make only with the help of wheat. Then third type of cereal we see is barley. Barley is also a cereal. As you can see, this is barley. Barley is a very healthy grain. Grain means something that we eat. So barley is very healthy for us. It is very beneficial. Barley is commonly used in breads, soups, etc. So while making bread, while making soup, we can use barley. There are 5 different types, varieties of barley, which are that purple, green, white, brown, black. As you can see the color over here, there are 5 different types: purple, green, white, brown, black. So as you can see, bread and soup, this is the picture of bread and soup using barley. So do you know what are the benefits of barley? that can be used for making idli, dishes from barley. How can we make dishes? Which dishes we can make? Barley, we can make Mysore dosa, then we can make khichdi, we can make salad, and we can make moong dal, coconut soup, etc. We can make with the help of barley. This is what we have seen, the use of barley. All that uses where barley is used for cooking food, these are different types of examples where barley is used. It also improves our skin and it increases your energy level. It also controls your weight, and for asthma patient also barley is very good. Then we can see what is this? This is maize. So do you know the advantages of maize? It improves your digestion and it is very good for protein. It will give you lots of protein. Then muscles, your muscles can be very healthy. If you eat maize, you will have good muscle strength. Then your eyesight, your eyes can be improved with the help of maize. You can improve your eyesight. One more, you can see cereal, that are oats. Oats are good for digestion. It will give you lot of energy, full of iron. We can get lot of iron from this. Vitamins, minerals, everything we can get with the help of oats. Then what are pulses? Pulses, some seeds of some plants are used as pulses. You can see different types of pulses are there on your screen. Pulses are rich source for protein. You can get lot of protein from pulses. Pulses grow in pods and come in variety of shapes, sizes and colors. So as I showed you the picture of pods, it will come inside the pods. There will be outer covering and inside that there will be pulses, and it has different shape, size and colors. What are the examples of pulses? Kidney bean, gram, pea, green gram and lentil. These are different pulses. As you can see on your screen, it will come inside the pods. And in Hindi we can also say dal. Pulses means dal. Like cereal we said anaj, so pulses are dal. So the first type of pulse we can see is kidney beans. So what is kidney bean? The kidney bean is variety of common beans. So the name, because it is kidney like shape and its color. See, the shape is like kidney. The kidney inside our body we have, it is the shape of that kidney. So it is called kidney bean. Kidney beans are rich in protein. They give lot of protein. So our bones will be strong. The color of kidney beans can be very dark, purple or red. As you can see, different colors of kidney beans. Then we can see green grams. See, green grams are green in color. And it is also a type of pulse, a type of dal. Green gram, also known as moong, is one of the main pulse crop of India. In India, we use this a lot. We can also say it is a moong. And people prepare so many food items from green grams. India is the major producer of green gram in the world and grown in almost all the states. In almost all the states of India, we see green gram, and it is very major food for India. Green gram can be used for feeding the cattle. All the animals can also eat this green gram, and people give this to cattle, the animals. Then used as feed for cattle. So green gram can be given to cattle. As you can see, one animal is eating this green gram. So it is used for feeding cattle. Then what are peas? Peas are small round vegetables. See, you have already seen in your house some round vegetables, small vegetables. It will give you protein and vitamins. And peas are hardy and leafy. It is very hard. Peas can be green, yellow or white in color. These are different peas. Then you can see the image. Peas are very hardy and leafy. So inside this coating, what is this called? These are pods, and inside this there will be hard and leafy peas. Inside this, when you open this, you can get peas. Then you can see what are grams. These are the images of some different gram. This is also example of cereal, dal. Then we can see the last picture, that is lentils. Lentils is example of cereal. Different colors of lentils you can see on your screen. These are called lentils. So what did we study today? We studied chapter 2, uses of plants. We saw the previous video. We saw some beautiful images of vegetables and fruits. We saw the worksheet for vegetables and fruits. After that we saw what are cereals and pulses and why are they important. So thank you all of you. Have a blessed day.